So we're going off figure 36.1, all right? Structures of the upper respiratory tract in the mid-sagittal section. And I'm just gonna follow the figure in a counterclockwise way. So frontal sinus, okay? All of this then is your nasal cavity. And you're going to have your superior, your middle, your inferior nasal concha. Between those, you're going to have then the nasal meatuses. So you're going to have the inferior, the middle, and the superior nasal meatus. So this opening here, that is going to be the nostril. This opening here is the nasal vestibule. This bone here is going to be the hard palate, right? The soft palate is going to be then this part back there. The uvula is then what comes off of that soft palate on the bottom there, okay? All of this is your tongue, okay? Your lingual tonsil, the hyoid bone. Part of the larynx then that you're looking at, okay, is this flap here is going to be the epiglottis. This is going to be then your vestibular fold. That's going to be the true vocal cord, okay? This one's going to be your thyroid cartilage. This one's going to be your cricoid cartilage, okay? So thyroid, cricoid cartilage. So I said vestibular fold, thyroid, the vocal fold, so that's the vestibular fold, the vocal fold, okay? And the thyroid gland that I don't happen to see there.
Wait, can you show us the distinction between the fold, like the true?
Yeah, do you see this fold and that fold?
Okay.
So that's the vestibular, the not the real one, that's the vocal,
Okay.
okay? So then I'm now back at 7 o'clock. All of this is the trachea. This is the esophagus. This area is the laryngopharynx. This area is the oropharynx. The oropharynx should have right here some pink stuff, which would be the palatine tonsil that I don't see on this model. And this opening here is called the isthmus of the fauces. Again, that was the uvula, okay? I've got the opening of the pharyngotympanic tube and the pharyngeal tonsil, okay? All of that is going to be in the nasopharynx, okay? So nasopharynx. Where am I? So this back here is the posterior nasal aperture. Okay, the sphenoidal sinus and the cribriform plate of the ethmoid bone right there. Okay, that's everybody.